Is it possible to buy games with Steam points? What's up everyone? In today's video we are going to find out if it is possible for you to buy games with the Steam points you have on your Steam account. Let's get started. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Alright, let's begin the video. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously open up your Steam and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you do that, you will have to find your Steam points first. In order to do that, hover your mouse over this store section and you will see different options like featured, discovery queue, wishlist, and points shop. So just click on this points shop and it will open up your points shop. And on the top right of your screen you will see your balance. Right now I currently have 0, but if you have certain amount of balance, you can buy different kind of stuff from here, like your in-game items. So for example, for this game God of War Ragnarok, you can buy items like the startup movie, the game profile, avatar frames, or the profile background. So here is the list of all Steam startup movies, and you have all of the Steam Scream 2024 items. Here on all game profiles, you have game profiles from different games and from specific games like The Last of Us, like its avatar frame, animated avatar, and different kind of stuff. You also have many background profiles. You can buy all of these in-game items with your Steam points, but there is no active way to purchase a game. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.